Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing good. Today's video, we are taking a look at Sprezzabox for September 2018. So with that being said, let's get into it. And here we go. We have the card, of course, with everything in this month's Sprezzabox on the back. A bit of advertisement. And here we go. First thing out of the box is this purple Perialis necktie. Next thing out of the box are these Zox Argyle socks. Very cool. Up next are these Thursday Boot Company shoelaces. It looks like I got a pair of shoelaces in brown and black. Very nice. Up next is this blue and gray classic keychain. Next we have this Arla plaid pocket square. And last but not least is this Sprezza leather valet tray. And there you have Sprezzabox for September 2018. And of course, I'm going to show you how to style everything in this month's Sprezzabox. We start at the shoes, a pair of Singer monk strap wingtips, which I paired with the Argyle socks, a gray vest with the pocket square, a striped shirt, which I paired with the purple tie. And there you have Sprezzabox for September 2018. Now, Sprezzabox is a monthly subscription box service at $28 a month that sends you men's accessories like ties, pocket squares, and socks. Now, the box's value is always worth more than that $28, and for September 2018, it does not disappoint with a box value at $122. Really not a bad bang per buck. So with that all being said, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video, tell some friends, hit that bell icon. It notifies you guys when I post new videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.